this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Luke has asked me to make something for him, so this is the start of it. X marks the spot. I cut out of this colourful fabric an 18-inch square. It doesn't have to be 18-inch, it can be wherever you want it. And then I cut it down the middle, so I've got two big triangles. I cut a 2-inch strip of black, roughly, yeah, they're about 18 inches length because I cut two of them. I cut small strips of the coloured fabric about 5 inches long, and I've sewn them on the ends. So this is how I'm going to make the X. So basically, once you've sewn them onto the ends, you now need to sew this middle bit to your two triangles. So I'm going to find the centre of the triangle, and to do that you can fold it in half. You can put a crease line there, break my nail. You can put a crease line there, or you can mark it with a pen or a pen, wherever. But I can just about see it. Find the middle of your strip. I'm going to mark both sides because I'm going to need it when I'm doing the other bit. And I can see that really well, but I can't see this one at all. Oh, there it is. There is the centre. So that is where I need to sew it all the way down there, and then I'll attach this strip to this side using the same method. As you can see now, the black mark is down the centre of it, so I want to add this one down the centre like that, so it will be X marks the spot. So be brave, get your ruler, and my ruler is not quite long enough. You can put another one on the end. I'm just guessing where I want the other end to be, and here goes. I'm stopping there, moving my ruler, and that's done. So now I'm going to do exactly the same as I did with that one, and put that and sew it there. And there we have it. I have pressed my seams into the X every time. So obviously if you have a dark for the X and a lighter for your triangles, then you're not going to get shadow through. If you're using a light on the inside and a dark, then just press them outwards instead of inwards. Now I'm going to, as you can see, the corners a bit longer than I need, so I'm going to trim all this down to possibly about 18-19 inches. I'll see where I can get, and then I'm going to put a trim round it. I'll show you when I've done that. Now I've put a 2-inch binding around it, and now I've got X marks the spot. You're possibly all intrigued as to why I want something like this, but I'm taking video footage start to finish of this. But now it is a total of 22.5 square. So by the time I put binding on it, it'll be 22 inches square. Touch bigger than I wanted, but never mind. Thank you.